Union Minister Venkaiah Naidu today said that the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana will be a game changer for common people. Speaking to the media after launching the scheme at Hyderabad, Naidu said that Jan Dhan Yojana is a major step taken by the NDA government. Earlier, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had launched his government mega scheme Jan Dhan Yojana at Delhi. Modi had announced the Yojana during his Independence Day speech from the ramparts of the Red Fort. The scheme will cover 7.5 crore people by January 26th, who will be provided zero balance bank account with a debit card, life insurance cover of Rs 30,000 in addition to accidental insurance cover of Rs 1 lakh.
The government has taken a major initiative for financial inclusion. This will bring a sea change in the country, and this will be a really game changer for the common people of the country. More people coming into the banking sector and becoming partners in the financial services is a welcome step.
The scheme was simultaneously launched at multiple centers by 20 chief ministers. Several union ministers, including Information Minister Prakash Javadekar at Pune, Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad at Chennai, External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj at Bhopal, and Home Minister Rajnath Singh at Lucknow. Launching the scheme in Nagpur, Union Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari said that the scheme will be available for unemployed poor labourers and people living in slum areas through mobile. He said that newly launched scheme will eradicate economic inequality and create opportunity for the poor.
मुझे लगता है कि देश के इतिहास में गरीबों के लिए की हुई एक बहुत अच्छी पहल है। इससे बेरोजगार युवाओं को, गरीब लोगों को, मजदूरों को, किसानों को, झुग्गी झोपड़ी में रहने वाले लोगों को मोबाइल के द्वारा भी ये बैंकिंग सेवा उपलब्ध होगी और उससे अपने जीवन में उनको एक रोजगार मिलेगा। और एक बहुत अच्छी योजना का शुरुआत प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना के रूप में हुआ है और मुझे लगता है ये योजना देश में आर्थिक विषमता को मुक्त करेगी और गरीब से गरीब शोषित पीड़ित दलित व्यक्ति को भी समाज के मुख्य प्रवाह में आने का एक अच्छा अवसर देगी।
Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad launched the scheme in Chennai. Participating in the function to launch Jan Dhan Yojana, Prasad said that it is the intention of the NDA government to provide access to banking through mobile phones. Union Minister of State for Heavy Industries Pon Radhakrishnan has launched the PMJDY in Madurai.
This is a scheme for the people of country. This is the scheme for the people of the country. The Prime Minister has inaugurated this scheme in Delhi, and this is the mega scheme in the history of India. This scheme will help the poor and the people of India.
Powered by NNIS.